So now let's move on to the continuation of the integration of technology and media. But the focus of my report is about AI or the artificial intelligence. So first, will you please read Fortuna? Fortuna.
AR or artificial intelligence. What exactly is AI? A 2007 paper, What is Artificial Intelligence? By Stanford University's John McCarthy defined it as the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. It is related to the similar task of using computers to understand human intelligence, but AI does not have to confine itself to methods that are biologically observable. The ultimate effort is to make computer programs that can solve problems and achieve goals in the world as well as humans.
So AI or artificial, it is the science of creating machine or computers programs that can think, solve the problems, and achieve goals of the humans. So it doesn't have to mimic human thought exactly, but aims to perform intelligent tasks efficiently. So isang example nito is yung AI-powered tutoring system gaya ng mga chatbots or mga personalized learning apps that analyze students' performance and provide tailored lessons, helping them grasp difficult concepts at their own pace.
Yes.
So next naman, will you please read Eman and explain shortly?
AI and lesson planning. AI generative tools like ChatGPT are revolutionizing the educational landscape by Homeless and TUMI 2022. These tools harness advanced algorithms to generate tailored educational content, potentially saving educators valuable time and enhancing instructional quality. Ayan, so, dyan sa ChatGPT, hindi, as a students kasi napakagamit na. So, hindi lang naman tayo yung gumagamit. Parang ginamit ko na. Teacher din.
Yes. So, alam naman, ay familiar naman na tayo sa mga AI, and we also use AI for our lesson planning in making instructional materials dahil mas napapabilis niya yung trabaho natin. Isang example dito is yung ChatGPT. I know that you are aware on this AI app na to kasi yung ginagawa natin is kinaka-copy-paste lang natin yung file natin, tapos pinapa-explain na natin, then makukuha na natin yung answer. So next naman is AI. So the benefits of generative AI and in lesson planning. Kenji.
AI in lesson planning. Benefits of generative AI in lesson planning. First, we have the personalized learning. Generative AI tools can analyze the students' learning styles, preferences, and abilities, enabling pre-service teachers to tailor their lesson plans to individual student needs. This personalized approach enhances the students' engagement and comprehension, making learning more effective. Second, we have creativity enhancement. AI-generated content can spark creativity among pre-service teachers by providing them with diverse and innovative teaching materials. These tools inspire teachers to design lessons that are both informative and creative, capturing students' attention and encouraging active participation.
So yan. So first is generative AI in personal learning. So natutulungan ng mga pre-service teacher and also the teachers na makapaggawa ng isang lesson plan na kung saan nakakapag-customize sila kung ano yung mga based sa mga student styles, strength at weaknesses nila. So dito, yung learning is nagiging engaging at nagiging effective. Well, dito naman sa creativity enhancement, so AI-generated content provided fresh ideas and diverse teaching materials helping teacher design more engaging and interactive lessons. So next naman, Eliza.
Benefits of generative AI in lesson planning. Time efficiency. Generative AI tools can automate the process of creating lesson plans. By generating content, suggesting teaching methodologies, and even assessing learning outcomes, these tools significantly reduce the time per service teachers spend on planning, allowing them to focus on the essential aspects of their professional development.
Oh, yan. So, time efficiency. So, pag gumagamit tayo ng AI, alam naman natin na mas napapabili yung, mas napapadali yung work natin. Instead na maggawa tayo ng manually na lesson plan, pwede tayong matulungan ng lesson ng AI na kung saan is tinutulungan niya tayo sa paggawa ng mga objectives sa mga lesson na pwede natin i-integrate and anything. So dito, meron akong na-search about the 5 AI lesson plan generators na maaari nating magamit kapag gumagawa tayo ng lesson plan. So first is the Polymath AI na kung saan it helps to design lesson plans based on the curriculum requirements. So ang curriculum natin ngayon is sa matatag curriculum. So pwede natin magamit ito para maging incline yung curriculum na ginamit natin sa curriculum na mayroon tayo ngayon. Next naman is the Lesson Plans.ai. It provides ready-made and customized lesson plans. Next naman is ChatGPT. Alam naman na natin yan. Next is Claude.ai. It assists brainstorming and refining educational assistant. And lastly, the Auto-Classmate, which automates lesson planning and classroom management tasks. So, we also know that there are challenges of AI in lesson planning are according to Uche. Yeah. So first is lack of creativity. So AI-generated lesson plan may lack sa originality ng isang teacher kasi nagbabase na lang siya sa binibigay ng AI. So nawawalan na siya ng parang yun. So isang example nito is an AI tool might suggest common teaching strategies but miss out on innovative, cultural relevant, or emotionally engaging approaches. Next naman is yung pagiging bias. So AI models are trained on existing data which may contain biases that affect lesson content, perspective, and inclusivity. Next is high cost. So there are AI na apps or there are AI na websites na kinakailangan ng bayad para magamit ito. So parang yun. Next. AI in creation of activity. Adalpha. Read.
AI in creation of activity. Like so many of technologies that have changed the world, artificial intelligence developed over many years before it seemed to suddenly burst on scene. Today, AI is ubiquitous and offers revolutionary potential for education. With AI, educators can tailor learning experiences to individual student needs, making education more effective and engaging. AI-enabled technology. AI-enabled technologies also assist in administrative tasks, streamlining operations and freeing up educators to focus on teaching. Learn more about how teachers and school administrators are using AI-powered tools today and the possibilities for the future of artificial intelligence in education.
Yan. So with its growing role sa ating education and sa ating society with the use of AI, so nagkakaroon or nagbibigay ito ng offers, limitless possibilities for improving learning outcomes and also nare-reduce niya rin yung workloads, especially ng mga educators. Next naman is AI. Yes. Daryl, pakibasa.
Some
Nowadays, teachers are using generative AI tools, support for vocabulary instruction. An instructional designer has helped teachers create visuals for many different grade levels and subjects using AI. Math lesson planning using artificial intelligence. The author, a high school math teacher and instructional coach, explains how to use generative AI to assist teachers in planning engaging math.
So yan. So natutulungan ng AI ang mga teacher na makapaggawa ng mga visual na mga activity and also definition to enhance students' understanding of word across different subjects and grade levels. While dito naman sa second bullet, na-assist yung mga teacher in designing interactive and engaging math lessons, making complex lesson to make it easier. Next naman, AI-driven learning. Catrice.
AI-driven learning. AI applications in education can foster interactive collaboration and facilitate content creation and curation for students and teachers alike. These tools help teachers develop content aligned with curriculum standards, ensuring that educational materials effectively meet diverse students' needs. Interactive tools like virtual
Yes.
labs and educational games engage students, while collaborative platforms facilitate peer learning.
So yeah. So AI enhances education by making learning more interactive, personalized, and efficient for both educators and the students. So AI in education saves teachers time, improves engagement, and ensures that learning meets each student's needs. So next is AI in instructional material. Jenny Rose.
Instructional materials are the devices developed or acquired to assist or facilitate teachers in transmitting organized knowledge, skills, and attitudes to learners within an instructional situation. Teachers use different instructional materials to motivate learning. Teachers often make use of textbooks, charts, models, graphics, as well as improvised materials. Success in skill and knowledge acquisition in an instructional situation depends on the suitability of the instructional material, adequacy, and effective utilization of the available materials.
So yeah, so instructional materials. Alright. That help teacher effectively deliver the skills and attitude to his students. So these materials such as textbooks, charts, models, graphics, and real objects enhance learning by making lessons more engaging and understandable. So next naman, is may So yan, may nakita akong isang research about the benefits of artificial intelligence as an imperative to the effective delivery of instructional materials by Otto Bonilla. So this study looked at various artificial intelligence systems in education and coined the concept of classroom robotic assistant or CRA, which is an expert system that helps in the delivery of lessons and instructional materials content in classroom. It observed that the forms of education technology applied to Nigerian classroom are medieval and advocated for modern enlightenment on the delivery of instructional materials content. Available studies have concentrated on the impact of ICT and expert system on academic performance of primary, secondary, and tertiary education without considering the practical use of artificial intelligence systems on the performance of the teachers. Also, instructional materials are not readily updated in any prescribed, knowledgeable, and cheaply available for the students to procure, and the period used by teachers to deliver the material to students are constrained by human factors of weakness, time, and expertise. So therefore, the key issues is the application of artificial intelligence as a substitute for tutoring, especially when the teacher is sick, tired, or not available to deliver his course content. So next naman is the AI is rapidly transforming the way instructional materials are created and used. Here's how. Basahin mo nga konsepta.